So this morning we left Ole de Re and decided to go to a local park and ride, and it's cost us €3 for parking and a return trip into La Rochelle. So we're just going to have a wander about La Rochelle now. Take a bit more time than what we did the other day when we came in on the bicycle, but let's go and see what's about. Definitely some amazing and outstanding buildings. Check these arches out. Jackie's just in there getting some wine glasses. Wonder if we get to use them later.
Oh, can't take.
Some really old buildings here. So we're just down at the marina. We've just had coffee and pastries there, absolutely amazing. Right, let's go and explore some more. Stunning, absolutely. At this point I'd like to point out that Jackie went marching off looking for what she thought was a castle, and I kept on saying to her, "Is that it behind you?" And she kept on saying, "No, it's along here somewhere." Here we go. The marine looks quite quiet. Lovely looking beach, looks nice and clean. This is a view from the rampart down by the beach. La Rochelle, a lovely little place.
Let's see what's through the arched window. It's the market here, but we're going to go in this building here because that's an indoor market to get some fresh fruit and veg. We noticed it the other day when we come in on the cycles. Catch you in a bit.
Again, passing through some amazing, wonderful, lovely looking French villages with some fantastic architecture in them. About a month before we set off, come out to France. I know there's lots of apps about where you can stay, but Jackie discovered one called French Passion. It costs about 30 quid. And what it allows you to do is to stay on people's property, whether they provide stuff, and on this occasion we're going to another one that actually is a winery that produces wine. I'm a red wine drinker, but obviously this was white wine, but that didn't bother me. I didn't hold that against them at all. It's free to stay there. All they ask is that you're able to self-contain yourself, i.e. for your cooking, toilets and stuff like that. However, on this one they also had a toilet that you could actually use if you wanted to. You don't have to purchase anything, but again, it's just good manners to go and get that. So Jackie enjoyed the white wine, so no doubt she bought 2 bottles. Highly recommend French Passion.
So this is us at one of the France Passion sites, just south east of Nantes. Been in one of the parking bays next to the vineyard. Just going to go and take a walk around. We just had a free tasting of wine, some very lovely wine. Then we'll participate in probably drinking more later on. Catching well. There you go, France Passion. parking sign. So you got this very picturesque river next to the chateau itself. And then if you don't get parked up where we are, just in front of the chateau, behind this other building there, there is more parking available. What a lovely place to sit down, have a glass of vino. Let's go. You've got to believe me when I say that this is a fantastic place. There's the parking, you can see over there. Anyhow, let's crack on. So the winery has been in the same generation now for, well, 3 generations. First landed on the shores just there by the river in 1914. Morning, it's Tuesday the 27th of June. We're now moving on. Going to go up to Mont St Michael. Now before we set off, I said all I wanted to do was get parked up in a vineyard, sit amongst the vines and drink wine, and we managed it here. Anyhow, let's get going.